Hi, mommy. Hi, Indy girl. Hi. Are you playing in your play gym? Indy is 4 months old today. She is cruising along. Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy. Tell down, tell down. At 4 months old, Indy knows mommy and daddy's faces. She likes mommy and daddy. Finally, still gets up 2 times. I think we're down to 2 times a night now, basically. And we start putting you down around 9 p.m. And you'll finally get sleep by 10 p.m. You'll probably wake up at 12:30 or 1 a.m. if we're lucky. We have to start swaddling her and holding down her arms again with this thing I'll show you, because she does this cute thing with her hands where she'll find them at her mouth together and then fall asleep and then start herself awake. So she's having a really hard time sleeping. Is Beyonce disturbing us? Beyonce, but you know, sometimes she disturbs us. She likes this crinkly book thing, staring at the pictures of the animals. Oh, that hand thing, that's a hand thing she does. What she does when she's half asleep at night. And she is annoying because she keeps waking herself up. You like animals? The thing is, she likes grabbing things and holding them. But when they fall out of her reach and she can't actively collect them again. So that's the problem. But she will stay in this play gym thing and look at the stuff for a little bit, maybe 10-15 minutes before it's on something else. So I'm trying to find different ways to keep her entertained, because I'm trying to run around, do laundry and errands and things like that. She's still drinking exclusively breast milk. She'll take both bottle and the breast. She prefers breast though when she's really tired or upset, right? She'll take the bottle when she's half asleep at night for her night feeds. And if it's daddy. But if she's on me and she's next to the breast, she's like, I don't understand why you're giving me this stupid bottle. Not the breast, and sometimes she'll just throw it in my face. Slap me and say, give me breast. Is that what you do, Indy? No attempts to roll over, which could be my fault because I have been really bad at tummy time. I don't even do tummy time. Matt does most of the tummy time. I started trying to do tummy time with her, but the way she cries when she does it breaks my heart. So I stopped. Like that. She lifts her legs up real high and slam them down real hard. Her legs are very thick and strong, so I don't think she will have a problem walking, but we gotta work on your core and your back muscles. The last couple weeks though, she's had a lot of cognitive jumps in terms of awareness of what's going on around her, which is a benefit because she's so much more interested in what's going on. Like she can play with these things now and kind of be more independent at playtimes for a little bit. The downside is that when she's around people that she's not really familiar with, which is everybody outside of Matt and I, she freaks out and she'll be screaming and screaming and screaming and screaming. I went to a restaurant that day with my friends and she was screaming the whole time because it was loud and there's so many people and so many new sights and sounds and smells. So she was super overwhelmed and screams, and I felt so bad for her. And she doesn't like the car seat now anymore. She used to sleep in the car seat mostly, but then the last couple times she screamed like for 25 minutes the whole drive home, and I felt so bad, but I can't keep stopping or stop at all because we just gotta get home. I think she's 16 pounds. Her doctor's appointment is still another week and some change, so we'll find out how much she weighs. I don't know how long she is. Like, she's a big girl. Her cousin is 8 months old now, but I think they're about the same size. Cooing a lot and smiling a lot in our faces, and I had a couple giggles from her. Hi, my baby. Hi, Indy. Hi, baby. Indy in there. I wish I would tell everyone her name is Indy in there because I made up that name because I liked it and I wanted to be her name. But now this Indy has, as my mom would say, entered people's mouths. Oh, bala ha no no. Oh, bala ha no no. And it's fine. But Indy doesn't really sound Igbo. I think she doesn't respond to anything right now. She doesn't even know what her name is. But I do want her to respond to Indy. Indy in there. Indy in there. Indy, what do you want to say? You're 4 months old. Whew, what a world. We've been through some stuff. She comes to work with me to the office once a week, and then at home I try to do some stuff, which means I do nothing. Because it's hard unless she's asleep for me to do anything. How many ounces do you drink in a day? I don't even know. I know she takes about 3 each time. How many times a day? I don't know. Bath time, she likes the water, loves it. Loves kicking and splashing in there. And then when I drain the water, she gives me the saddest cry ever, which turns into a rage scream. Because she's so upset that she had to get out. So that's tough. She's just starting to recognize Bowden and will stare at him. Doesn't really care that much, I don't think, but she'll stare at him. Once the weather's nicer, we'll go outside more and take more walks and see how you do in the nature, in the sun. You know, we're sun people. And she likes looking at the mirror. So he's the other baby in the mirror. Say bye, other baby. She sucks her hand like this. Daddy's out doing some errands. I'm supposed to be doing chores at home. She naps usually once in the morning, mid-morning for a couple hours, and then she's supposed to nap usually late in the day, but depending on what we're doing. Either way, we go to bed we start her bedtime around 9. We like the itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. We also have some mommy originals like Free da bum bum 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 today. There's a bunch of mommy originals. I'll have to do a mommy original video or something. Maybe, probably not. Hair's falling on a little bit. Her hair's falling on a little bit. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, spit up. She was spitting up a lot more last month. And then she kind of slowed down. And now she's picking up again. And it's like thicker and more than it was before. And it's not like she just ate. She ate like an hour ago. So I don't know why. Maybe spitting up sometimes. The doctor's like, as long as she's putting on weight and having PP diapers, doesn't seem to be in discomfort, it's fine. Baby spit up. Hey, 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 hey. She loves diaper changes. We put her up on the changing table over there, and she just gets so excited and so happy and kicks her leg so hard and is just so smiley on the changing table. So sometimes when she's having a tough time and just crying, we'll put her on there just to improve her mood. Are you glad that you're 4 months old now? Anything else you want to tell the people about you being 4 months old? Nothing else? You're contented? We're treating you well? Okay. We'll go back to doing errands. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Say bye-bye! Indy, you're at Grandma Grandpa's house. Say hi, Grandma. Oh, Indy. Indy in there. Indy, say hi, Grandma. Who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
Ndewo. Bịa cheke mami. Ndewo agbọghọ bekee. Ndị ọcha Igbo.
Indy, say kedu.
Amụchala bọta. Ada ndidi ojika ụmụagba. Ịmatawala dị mgbe mbọ nkurule ya bewa akwa. Ahụla egwuregwu pụla. Ọlịa.
Oh no, don't cry.
ebela akwa na bekere si mama akpọrọ gị ị gị gbada ala